Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the solutions to the theory section of the 2020-2023 mathematics questions in NABTEB examination, and we are at 8b. The question says simplify 2 in bracket 4xy plus 3z close bracket minus 3x open bracket 1 minus 2y close bracket minus 42. And so 2 into bracket 4xy plus 3z minus 3x 1 minus 2y minus 42. So let us open the brackets. This will give us 8xy plus 6z minus 3x plus 6xy minus 42. So if we collect the like times, 8xy plus 6xy minus 3x plus 6z minus 42. So this gives us 14xy minus 3x plus 6z minus 42. So there is nothing else to add and there is nothing else to subtract. So that is the answer to the question. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel and thank you very much.